Recover permanently delete file for free or Windows. Today we will show how can recover using delete file permanently delete file how can return. For that we open the browser and search recover and more downloading in there. This link I will put in my video description. You just copy and paste in your browser. Okay, download is started. Friends, if you do not till now subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the more technologies video. You find more technologies video in my YouTube channel. Okay, we can see download is done. Now open the software, downloaded software. Okay, now install. Just double click for install and press yes. Wait for next instruction. Just install. This is the recover version 1.53 setup file. Okay, then run recover. Okay, new file is open. Do not need. We close and just press next. Friends, you read in there is what type of file you want to recover. All file, picture, mail, video, and everything is there. I want to all. Then press next, and there also you can choose any type of file. I want to choose individual drive. This is the L drive. I want to recover this drive. That's why I'm choose this option and browse. And if you want to full computer, then you just click the my device, and I want to L drive, then I am choose the L drive and just press next. There is two option. This is the screen deep option. I am choose the enable and press next. Is it's taken sometime. It's depend on your file. If your memory capacity is high, then it's need taken a huge time. If small size, then very easy complete or taken small size minimum time. Okay, scan is done. Friends, now we are increase the window. Now you search in there what types of file you needs. You search in below what types of file you needs. Then you just select. Like I want to select this file. That's why I'm just click this. This is the yellow, and also I click this background image.png. Okay, you also can find in there is lot of file, and I'm choose this video also. After select all, if you need you just search in there what type of file you want and what type of file you remove. Okay, we check this file is there is not. Friends, there is not. This is the video 000 file. Also screen background screen not in there. We search every in there, but this is the delete file. Screenshot also this video name, and this video file also is not in there. Just recover, and I want to select the desktop and make a new folder and rename this folder for keep a backup. This is the recovery 2020. and just press OK. Recovery is started. Recovery is continue. Friends, if you do not subscribe till now my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the more technology video. Now we are press the OK and check recovery file. Wow, we can see this file is coming is there. One is screenshot, another is two video. We are play this video. Friends, you can see this video is delete file is recovery successfully. Permanent delete file recovery successfully. Also, this is the picture, PNG format picture. I am down. I am recovery from there. Thanks for watching.